5 common mistakes of small YouTubers, and yes, I have made them all. Let me guess, you are interested in making some money with your YouTube efforts. Good, that was me 2 years ago. No clue about social media, no clue about editing videos, no clue about how to do YouTube, any of that. SEO, what the heck is SEO or a click-through rate? 2.5 years later, I was able to quit a 6-figure corporate job, and with just one YouTube channel alone, I make over $200,000 with the Google AdSense program. This is not my first channel if you're brand new here. And in that 1.5 years that I started with YouTube, you know how many times I got frustrated and wanted to quit, and I thought to myself, like, is this even worth it? I'm putting all this effort in and nothing is happening. Can you relate to any of that? And that is a huge reason why I have created this YouTube channel right here for you, because I know how powerful YouTube can be at changing your life and those around you, for your family, your friends, your community. I won't go on and on about it. You get it. You clicked on this video for a reason. So let's dive into those 5 mistakes that I no longer want you to make if you are making them. And I'm gonna start with number 5, and I'm gonna end with the most important mistake you should never, ever make, especially if you want to avoid frustration and grow your YouTube channel faster. Before we start with number 5, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up so that it can reach more people. Number 5, you create a bunch of YouTube content. You are excited, you're like, let's do this, let's go. I've seen Andrea Jean and other people have success with YouTube. I can do it too. And you absolutely can do it too. But here's the problem. After a year or more and you're not making money with your YouTube channel and growth is so slow, guess what happens? Most people quit YouTube. But here's the problem. Most YouTube channels don't actually blow up until 2 to 3 years after consistently improving their YouTube game. Mr. Beast did not come out of the gate blowing up YouTube, doing his thing. He started to understand people, he started to understand YouTube, and he just kept improving over and over and over again. By the way, Mr. Beast's most highly viewed video on his channel has 141 million views. That is wild. Number 4, skip the introduction. Do not spend 10, 15, 20 seconds talk about anything other than what your title and your thumbnail said that they were going to do, especially if you have a small YouTube channel. Just think about it for yourself. Put yourself in your viewer's seat. Do you want to watch someone's 10 to 15 second intro, especially if you don't know them? I know that I don't want to. That'd be like going into a gas station. All you want to do is pay your gas and get your yummy, delicious soda. And then all of a sudden the clerk starts telling you about what he ate for lunch, where he's going on vacation, what he did with his mom this past weekend. You're not interested in that. And you're thinking to yourself, well, next time I'm just going to pay at the pump and I'm going to skip the soda. Skip the intro. I've made this mistake before. In fact, I probably made all of these mistakes. Number 3, you have no idea what types of videos to make. You get a video idea because it interests you and you think, I'm gonna make this YouTube video, yet you haven't validated if enough other people like this topic as well. YouTube is a blending of what you like and what a large enough audience also likes. Take this video right here at 3.9 million views, $45,000 with the Google AdSense program. I knew when I created that video that 18 other million people would potentially be interested in this video topic. By the way, if you're wanting quick YouTube tips and any behind the scenes, I share a lot of that on Instagram at Andrea Jean Co. Number 2, you are not continually improving your thumbnails. Now, there are cases when your thumbnails do not matter. I made a previous video on that. But that's if and only if your videos are getting found in Google search first. Thumbnails don't really matter at that point. What matters more if you're getting found through Google search is the title of your video. But for all intents and purposes, you need to make sure that your thumbnails are getting better and better and better, because you don't know oftentimes where your videos are gonna land up. Are they gonna land in someone's homepage? Are they gonna show up in YouTube search? Are they gonna be in the sidebar of somebody's suggested? Number 1, are you ready for this? The most common mistake that small YouTubers make is this. And you are not gonna like this word because I hear about it all the time. But you are not niching your content. I get it, I totally get it. You see lots of big YouTubers that are making a bunch of variety content, and you think to yourself, I'm a very multi-interested person. I don't just wanna make one type of video. Totally understand that. But here's the thing. If you want to grow faster on YouTube, it's important that your content centers around a very particular type of person and what he or she wants. People who've grown their YouTube channel to millions of subscribers know this. Heather Robertson, she has over 1 million subscribers. You go to her YouTube channel, it is all fitness workouts. She's not in there popping what she ate for lunch. She's not telling you about the next greatest diet plan. She's not talking about paleo diets. It's completely fitness workout routines. How about this one right here? Great meditation at almost 500,000 subscribers. You go to the channel, it is all meditation related. Sam the cooking guy at over 3 million subscribers. You go to his YouTube channel and it is all things cooking. So if you want to make money and grow faster on YouTube, get focused, my friend. The faster you focus, the faster you will grow. YouTube is a business and it's about becoming known for something. Now, if you're not interested in that, yes, make the variety content. Do this, that, and the other thing. But I will tell you this. I like to work smarter rather than harder. Let me explain. Who gets paid more? A general family practitioner or a cardiologist that specializes in the heart and only the heart? Both of these doctors are working hard. Both of these doctors are putting in a ton of time and effort. I rather specialize so that I can get more bang for my buck, more bang for my time, and help more people. The decision is yours, and I'm here to support you either way. I want to see you succeed, but I also want to give you the best tips to help you do that faster, because I know when you start to see growth and momentum with your YouTube channel, it's exciting and you want to keep going. Give this video a thumbs up. Also in the description box below, I have a freebie for you. It's 12 musts to help you have a successful YouTube channel checklist. And then check out this video right here, how you can start a successful YouTube channel and make money 0 to 1,000 subscribers faster, saving you headache, heartache, and frustration. And with that, I will see you in the next one.